This is natural hairline. This is a closure with natural hairline. If you want to learn how to make 2x4 closure with natural hairline, please do well to watch this video to the end. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to PC Charles Hair. So this is a lace net I'm going to be using to make the 2x4 closure. So I'm going to be using my pin to put the lace net on my mannequin head, so I can use my tape rule to measure things out. So this is where I'm measuring my 4 inches with this tape rule. You can see my tape rule, the number 1, it's cut off, so I'm going to be measuring from 6 to 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. You can see. So I'm going to be placing my pin where the number 2 is. So I will use my eye pencil to label it later. You can see. So I'm going to be, measuring the 2 inches. It's 2x4. I've measured 4. 4 is the length. Why 2 is the width? That's why it's 2x4. So I'm looking for the midpoint. So I will measure the 2. So from 2 to 4 is 2 inches. So I'm going to be drawing it down because that will be our midline. You get, that will be the middle. So I will draw it down. So here comes the work. I'm going to be ventilating the first half of the closure. Yes, so I'm going to be starting from that midpoint. I will leave one line. Do you get, so I can get a middle part? So I'm going to be ventilating 2 to 3 strands of this attachment. Yes, and the ventilation style I'm going to be doing is horizontal vertical style, not diagonal. So I'm going to ventilate one line, skip one line, ventilate another line. So this is what I'm going to be doing from beginning till the end. So watch closely how I ventilate. See, the up part is going to be different, so you need to watch to the end to know how I did that up part. Do you get? Watch to the end to know how I did the natural hairline. The natural hairline is different. The ventilation pattern is different. So watch to the end part. Just watch the video how I made this down part first. Hey guys, no need to panic. You'll be wondering why I am ventilating sideways. As I told you at the beginning, I'm going to be using the vertical horizontal ventilation. So I was doing the vertical ventilation from down to this part, so now I'm doing horizontal. It's almost the same thing. So you see these 2 points. The one furthest, that's the one close to the edge, is the point of 4 inches. Why the one closest to where I'm ventilating is 0.5, like 0.5 inches from the 4 inches. So that space there, I'm going to be doing the front hairline. Do you get? So I'll be stopping at this point, 0.5 inch to 4 inches. That's 0.5 inches getting to 4 inches, so that I'll be able to do my natural hairline there, so you understand. So I'm ventilating this parts here up to this part. Do you get? So after this part, I'll be doing the other parts of the hair. Then I'm going to be doing the natural hairline. You don't want to miss this tutorial, so watch to the end how I made the natural hairline. So we are done ventilating both sides. So it's meaning the 0.5 inch to the 4 inches. So for this natural hairline, we are going to be ventilating one strand. So don't make any mistake of ventilating 2 strands. You can see everything, both sides, one strand, so you can get this natural hairline. Don't make mistake. One. See, you're going to be still be doing the horizontal vertical style. Do you get? You're going to be doing the horizontal vertical style, but the strand of hair you're going to be ventilating is 1 strand. So I'm done with the ventilation. You can see the natural hairline. You can see the 1 strand made it look natural. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever I post a new video. So I'm going to be turning this 2x4 closure to a wig, so stay tuned and watch.